Welcome to Yajentio Training Academy. Today we will tell about Python programming course concepts, basic to advanced concepts topics we will tell you today. We covered data structure, object oriented programming, file handling and exception handling, Python libraries used in real world projects. First of all, what is Python? Python is an easy to learning programming language. Python basics and advanced concepts. Python basics, topics, variable data type, operators, control statements, functions, data structure, object oriented program, file handling. These are basic concepts. Python. Advanced concepts means decorators, generators and multi-threading, multiple processing, exception handling, lambda functions, frameworks, libraries. These are advanced concepts. Okay? Whether you are beginners or looking to upgrade your skills, this course help you build strong programming fundamentals and career ready to expertise. Join and start your Python journey today. Contact 7418602650 and 8925132650. Email contact@yajentiotrainingacademy.com. If you want latest career updates, subscribe to follow our channel. Click bell icon for more interesting career updates. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you all.